Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. So in this video, I would like to show to you how are we going to create a 3D solid modeling for a certain part or a certain component based from the few exercises which are already uploaded in our ULEN systems. So let's get started. Let's say I'm going to produce or I'm going to create a part like this one. Okay. So the first step that I need to do is that, of course, definitely I need to choose my sketch plane. So in this particular case, I'm going to create the whole body of this part, whereby the length is 70, the width is 50, whereas the height of this particular part is 60. So I'm going to pick my top plane as my sketch plane. And then I'm going to choose center rectangle. I'm going to start at this origin. Then I'm going to indicate the dimension, whereby the length for this uh, side is 50. And on the other hand, for this side is 70. So once after completed, I'm going to extruded boss this sketch upwards, or you might probably also can extrude it downwards, but in this case I'm going to extrude it upwards with 60 mm, whereby this is the height of this particular part. So I'm going to go to features and extrude boss, whereby I'm going to increase it to 60 mm. All right, so once after confirm, I'll just click OK. There you are. All right, so my primary or my preliminary part will be look like this. Okay, the next step is that I'm going to create another one more section, which is this upper section, this top section, whereby I'm going to sketch some sort of a V shape like this, and then I'm going to extrude it cut through all. So in this case, I'm going to sketch this particular of V shape on this surface. Due to that, I'm going to pick this surface, okay, this surface as my sketch plane. So I'm going to pick this surface and then go to sketch, normal 2, and I'm going to proceed with my sketch for this one, for this section, all right? I just simply sketch, go to line, and I just simply sketch, okay, I just simply sketch, like that. You don't need to worry. Why? Because later on we can indicate those related dimensions. So once to confirm, now it's time for me to key in or to indicate related dimensions. So I'm going to pick smart dimensions, and as you can see over here that both of these sides, the length or the width is 14. Okay, the length or the width is 14. So I'm going to pick this endpoint to here, which is 14, and another one which is this point to this edge, which is 14 as well, because both should be the same, right? Whereas in this case, the distance from this edge to this end of V shape, okay, is 30. So I'm going to indicate here to here is 30 mm. Okay, now guys, I'm going to make sure that this endpoint here, as you can see over here, if I bring my cursor to here, just touch only the orange dotted point, or okay, the orange point will appear, or orange dotted point will appear. So I'm going to make sure that this dotted orange or dotted point will be the same line with this origin. Instead, I'm going to shift this particular point to here. Okay, but we're going to still maintain with the distance 30 mm. Okay, what you need to do is that you need to bring your cursor and make sure that you choose this origin. Okay, make sure that you must choose this origin. Click, okay, click that origin point. Then on your keyboard, you need to press your control button. Do not release that button yet. Okay, do not release that control button yet. Then the next thing that you need to do is that you need to bring your cursor and click, okay, click or pick this endpoint. Click. So once after you already click this second point, which is over here, the endpoint here, now you can release your control button. All right. And as you can see over here on your left side, the properties dialog box will appear. Point 1 at origin, which is this one, and point 2, okay, under selected entities, point 2, which is this one, which we just selected just now. Now, since I did mention just now that I'm going to make sure that both of these points should be line, vertical line like this. So I'm going to pick vertical here. So I'm going to constrain it. Okay, I'm going to constrain it to become vertical. So I just click this one, vertical. There you are. So as you can see over here, with by maintaining with 30 mm the distance from here to here, the points already shifted from here, okay, to here in order to make sure that all this point is aligned with this origin point. Okay, so now even though you can see that the sketch already converted from blue color to black color, that's mean that it is already fully constrained or fully defined. Okay, so once after confirm everything, and even you can see over here under the existing relationship or existing relations, the vertical two is appeared. So means that it's representing this particular vertical. It doesn't matter whether it's vertical 1, vertical 2, okay, as long as it's stated over here vertical. The numbering is not really important, right? So once after confirm, just click OK. All right, now it's time for me to extrude cut through all. Okay, so I need to go to features, extrude cut, and you have to choose through all. Click OK. All right, so now I go to isometric view and it looks like exactly same like this picture. Okay guys, so thank you for watching.